Why do people put baking soda in their socks? What healing properties does this procedure possess? What recipe doesn't require much effort or complex preparation, but yields surprising results? How should one correctly apply? And most importantly, who should strictly avoid using baking soda socks? Today, we'll delve into all of these questions in detail. How does baking soda work? When we sprinkle baking soda into our socks and wear them overnight, we directly affect the skin of our soles and ankles. It's well known that there are numerous reflex points on the soles of our feet, which acupuncturists target to improve the health of all organs and systems in the body. Wearing socks with a baking soda solution creates a sort of micro-massage for the feet, during which blood rushes to the area. That's why we might feel a slight tingling sensation in those areas. Thanks to the micro-massage action of baking soda, our body's immune system gets activated, helping to combat the early stages of colds or nasal congestion. Alkaline detoxification. Baking soda socks are an ideal way to detoxify the body from toxins and alleviate allergic reactions. Alkaline detoxification is precisely what we need at times like these. It can be done through baking soda baths, wraps, drinking baking soda solutions, or foot rubs. But baking soda socks are the simplest way to ease our lives and our bodies. They are particularly helpful for those who overindulged in alcohol the night before and wake up with a hangover. The main advantage of this method is that it can be used at any time. Baking soda socks can be worn during the day or before bedtime. While we sleep, the baking soda works, actively removing toxins from the body. No need for expensive pharmacy remedies or doctor visits. The only drawback is that small particles of baking soda may sift through the loose fabric of the socks and onto the bed linen during the night. When to use baking soda socks? There are several indications for using this simple health-improving procedure. Baking soda socks help to get rid of colds, nasal congestion, and high temperatures, treat athletes' foot and nail fungus, restore skin after frostbite, reduce symptoms of varicose veins, alleviate neuroses and stress, lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes, boost immunity, relieve foot fatigue and overall exhaustion, ease hangover or food poisoning symptoms. Preparation stage. Using baking soda socks is very simple. All you need to do is prepare 2 pairs of woolen or cotton socks. It's preferable for one pair to be a size larger to avoid compressing the limbs. If you're planning to do the procedure overnight, you'll also need plastic wrap, a towel, and of course, baking soda in solution. Now, let's discuss how to correctly use baking soda socks. 2 ways to use alkaline socks. Making the baking soda solution is simple. Heat 1 liter of water to 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. The same as body temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the water and mix well. Now, what to do with the socks? First method. Dip woolen or thick cotton socks into the prepared solution, thoroughly saturating them with the soda concentrate. Slightly wring them out and put them on. Then wrap the socks with plastic wrap to prevent leaks during sleep. As a precaution, place a towel under your feet to avoid wetting the bed linen. Go to sleep and let the healing happen while you rest. Second method. We already have the baking soda solution prepared. Again, soak the socks in it, but squeeze them more to prevent dripping. Put on the soaked pair. Then, wear another pair of socks slightly larger to prevent moisture and keep your feet warm. Go to sleep. Make sure to cover your feet with a blanket. And if it's cold in the house, prepare a hot water bottle. When your feet feel slightly chilled, apply it for comfortable warmth. Alkaline stockings and knee highs. A similar method can be used for preventing strokes, heart attacks, and treating varicose veins. Baking soda alkalizes the entire body, eliminating harmful acids. Toxins are expelled as the soda draws them out of all organs, excreting them through the feet. Instead of stockings, you can simply wrap your legs with gauze or cotton fabric. The procedure and recipe are the same as for socks. Baking soda knee highs are often used for varicose veins, but it's important that the water is not hot, but rather lukewarm. If the veins are very prominent, The solution should be almost cold. Treatment course. The duration of using baking soda socks depends on the issue at hand. Colds can be treated in a week by repeating the procedure every other night. Fungal infections require a more thorough approach. Wear baking soda socks every other day for a month. Then take a short break, and if necessary, repeat the course. To relieve fatigue and stress, simply wear the socks overnight once to feel much better. If stress is prolonged or there's accumulated fatigue, it's better to do the procedure 2 to 3 times a week. Detoxifying the body is recommended with the same frequency. Contraindications. Baking soda socks are great because there are no contraindications to their use. They are suitable for pregnant women and the elderly. They should only be avoided by those who have an individual intolerance to soda. If the body is heavily toxified, itching or irritation may occur on the skin. Alleviate these symptoms with a solution of water and a few drops of apple cider vinegar. Baking soda gloves. A similar procedure helps to relieve fatigue, treat sore joints in gout or arthritis, alleviate symptoms of psoriasis, and rid the body of fungal infections. Prepare the solution in the same way as for socks. Put on woolen gloves, and over them, warm mittens, alkaline shirt. This method is used to detoxify the entire body. Prepare the solution in the same way. Just proportionally increase the amount of water and soda. Soak a turtleneck or thick shirt in the solution. Wear another shirt or sweatshirt over it to keep warm during sleep. Bonus for foot beauty. Here's another fantastic way to give yourself a pedicure using baking soda socks. Cleanse the skin of the soles, heels, and remove the cuticles. Get rid of dead skin cells that accumulate as calluses. You'll need dry baking soda, not dissolved in water, and 2 pairs of thick cotton socks. First, thoroughly soak your feet in a foot bath. Then scoop up some soda and apply it generously to problem areas, including cuticles, the overgrown nail of the pinky toe, the spaces between toes, and toe pads. Put on the socks, then another pair over them. If you're doing the procedure during the day, work around in the socks for 3 hours. If at night, sleep soundly all night, and in the morning, remove the socks. The soda will start to work anyway because moisture will be released from the steamed feet. Wear baking soda socks daily, pre-soaking your feet until the skin is completely cleansed. Usually, it takes about 5 days, but in severe cases, the procedure can be repeated for up to 10 days. Friends, if this video was interesting and useful for you today, let us know in the comments. And we wish you strong health and prosperity.